Hi, sixth grade. As part of your project, you need to find a picture of your instrument that has the parts labeled. You're going to paste it here. But I'd also like you to save it to your Chromebook so that you can use it for your final project, which will be a slide presentation. So I've already looked up an oboe and I typed in oboe labeled diagram, and these are the choices that I came up with. I think I'm going to choose this one. And if you click on that photo, it should take you to the website it came from. Looks like this website, Classic FM, has all of the instruments, so you may want to check it out. All right, I'm going to find my oboe, hopefully. There it is. And what I'll do is I will right-click. That means you're going to press your trackpad with 2 fingers. And mine comes up as Save Image As. So I'm going to save image as, and then I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it oboe labeled. And then you can choose where to save it. Yours will probably look different than mine simply because you have a Chromebook and I have a Mac. And I'm going to save it. Now it's saved on my computer. To copy it onto my document, I'm going to right-click again, which is 2 fingers on the trackpad, pressing it 1 time, 2 fingers. And I'm going to copy image. Now if I go back to my document, I'm going to click in the text box where I'd like my picture to appear, right-click with 2 fingers again, and choose Paste. And your photo should appear there. Now, I'm not finished yet because I need to include the source. So I'm going to go back to the place where I found it, and I'm going to highlight the URL, right-click, copy, go back to my document, right-click, and I'm going to paste. This way, if for some reason I can't find it on my Chromebook because I saved it and don't know where it's at, I can always find that picture again for my final project. All right, so that is how you're going to find a picture of your instrument and save it to your Chromebook and copy it into your note-taking sheets. Have fun!